Hello, good morning. My name is Bhupendra Rao. I am 25 years old. I am from Salem district, Nepal. I am single. I have five members in my family. My education is plus two pass. My height is 5.6 feet and weight is 60 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobby are playing football, volleyball, watching movies, traveling, cooking, etc. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of working experience as factory working in Nepal. I want to come to any Eu- European countries as a factory worker to earn money and support my families. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning and waiting, lifting, operating machine, material handle, safety, etc. I will stay there for the long time, or maybe 5, 6 years. Thank you. Thank you.